and it was all the files actually stored on the board. So with the old one, you had to have your computer connected at all times when running the job.
Oh, okay.
With this one, you just...
So once the job's into the board, you can walk away and unplug it?
Yeah.
So you don't technically have to have a computer dedicated to the machine?
No. And this,
wow, that's useful. Oh, that's pretty cool, isn't it?
Jog it around in all directions.
That's brilliant.
Would help if there wasn't
There
something
wasn't
on there.
a sack full of spanners in there. Oh, don't need to do any video, can't do it all.
yeah. Pretty much set up, got everything you need.
Yeah, I don't think you need anything else than that, do you?
Mini boom arm at full extension. Just about out of shot. So we're recording. Okay?
Yeah.
So Ryan, nice to see you again. Thanks for having me around.
Plywood, you can still do the other materials, you just can't do them as quick as you would find a screwdriver.
Right, okay. So a screwdriver or belt drive is one more accurate than the other?
Yeah, so a screwdrive runs an Asmi screw like this,
okay.
So these run inside these channels.
Gotcha.
Brian and Peter are just going over the configurations for his WorkBee.
It's going to get covered in paint spray anyway, so
yeah.
Probably the silver's better for me.
After that, we're going to go into the rail room so Peter can cut some of his rails.
It's funny, when I'm with you, I always tell me like, I'm fine, but when we're filming our own ones...
It's nice to have someone to bounce off of it.
Yeah, I suppose. It's always loads of takes.
I'm the same on my own, you know, I'm normally in the workshop. You do that thing where you've got this long sort of piece to camera at the end, you're doing an outro or whatever else, and then you say something stupid right at the end of it, so you're either going to do the whole thing again, or put some stupid little jump cut in it, and I usually end up doing the whole thing again, or writing, typing it out, printing it out, and pinning it all around the camera, so then you end up staring like some bug-eyed monster going all around.
Yeah, so they just cut them, stick the label on it, and it has like a dash T, and then they tap the ends.
So,
I've been a rookie at this.
Yeah, been on that sort for a while.
Running all our protected equipment to this, right?
And just fit that. Pull the lid down. That's the one, and press center.
So both hands are well out of the way.
Yeah.
And then just let go once it's...
That's it, lift the lid up. Yeah, it always turns on actually when you lift it up. You can take it.
Okay, probably should have blown it off the dust, didn't I? And then we're going to stick it in. Excellent. Cool. Anything else while I'm here?
Yeah.
Run through some other customers. Makita.
Yeah.
Been a while since I used one of them. Awesome. I'd like to point out if there's any problem with the threads, it's the ones that you do.
Yeah.
You need a steady cam, hey, Hannah? Battery died in the GoPro on the way here. Air conditioning on.